In today's FX markets, let's look at the Australian dollar today as it's realizing some selling pressure here today. Coming off the recent highs, we did see two strong days for the Australian dollar, and now some pressure down about 0.5% currently. Although yesterday's high or closing high of spot 7.8 was the highest close in about 6 weeks. You have to go back to early March to see the Australian dollar trading at those levels. So a little bit of a reset today, not only in the Australian dollar, but the New Zealand dollar is lower as well as the Japanese yen is down as well. So those three currencies are experiencing some selling pressure. And I think when you look at the main driver today, I think it has to do with the COVID-19 storyline or theme that's playing out in that region right now. India, certainly challenging times for India right now with the COVID-19 virus. But we're seeing Japan reining things in a little bit as well. And also, I think just that general theme of the economic theme of Australia's exposure to China and Japan as far as trading partner and ability to, again, create economic activity is, at least today, coming under a little bit of hesitation. And when you look at the other currencies, the British pound, the euro, the Canadian dollar, they're really not moving too much today. And we are seeing the dollar shifting a little bit higher, but I think it's primarily due to the fact that we're seeing the Australian dollar, the yen, and the New Zealand dollar as well selling off. So looking at some of the trends, let's point there. Even with today's back off in the Australian dollar, we are seeing it trending higher here over the course of the last 2 weeks. We've seen a nice bounce. Now, some selling pressure in the end of March into early April, or I should say the middle of April, and then some renewed strength has pushed the Australian dollar to 6-week highs. And even with today's back off, we're still realizing the upper bound, particularly when you look at the last 2 weeks of price action. We're still holding here at the top end of the recent range.